How to fix your computer restarted unexpectedly in Windows 11. So if you're seeing this error message, I'm going to show you exactly how to go and solve this. Now, the first thing you need to do is press the following keys on your keyboard. You can press the Shift key and also the F10 key at the same time. Now, on some laptops, you may need to press the left Shift key, the Fn key, and also the F10 key at the same time. And this should bring up the command prompt window. Now, from this window, you need to go and type in reg, edit, and then press enter. Now, this will bring up the registry editor like this. So click on the drop-down arrow next to H key local machine. Click on the drop-down next to System, click on the drop-down next to Setup, then click on the drop-down next to Status, and then go and click on Child Completion. Now double-click on Setup.exe, and you need to change the value data to the number 3 and press OK. Once your computer's restarted, it will get rid of the error message, and that's how to fix your computer shut down unexpectedly.